in Chiang Mai. Alright, so it's almost 11 p.m. I think I'm just gonna go to bed. I will film the hostel tomorrow though because it looks so cool. But let's just go to bed now. Good morning! We finally made it to Chiang Mai after a very long day from Koh Lanta to Chiang Mai. So now I'm on my way to go get breakfast at the Fern Cafe. Buffet for 40 baht. You get like a glass like this full of fruit, so sounds like the perfect little snack. I just went to a shop where they sell like tours and everything, and this morning I was so scared that I was too late to book a couple of things. I wanted to do the cooking class for sure. I was debating whether or not to do the elephants, and I also wanted to visit like the temples, so especially the White Temple and Blue Temple. So I booked it at my hostel and it was 1500 baht, which is a little, it's about $60 I think, yeah, around $60. And now I was just like walking around and I stopped by a place where they sell tours, like kind of a travel agency, and they're selling it for 950 baht, like for basically the same thing. So learn from my mistakes. Don't book the first thing you see. Here's a place I was telling you about that was like a lot cheaper for the tour. It was 950 baht. One of the things I've learned so far after 3 weeks in Thailand is that no matter what the pickup time is, just add 15 minutes at least 15 minutes. So they're always late, which is good because I'm always late too. But then I end up being early because I'm not as late as they are. So I guess that means I'm always early, right? I think that's how it works. Alright, so I'm just waiting for the cooking school to come pick me up and I'll take you to cooking class. So when I said earlier that you could add 15 minutes to the time of pickup that they said, it's been an hour. Will I ever get there? Stay tuned.
And chili?
So we got the tamarind soup,
Chili,
the
you want
pad
to add?
thai,
No.
and the massaman curry.
One, two, three. Sugar!
I booked a tour, so the ticket was obviously included, but if not, if you want to do it by yourself, it's 100 baht to visit the White Temple. Okay, I think I'll have to look this up and figure out what these hands are for. It's a little creepy, but Cool. Alright, welcome to history class with Christina. I had to Google it because I was really curious. So these are the hands of people in hell suffering. So it represents suffering and desire. Then you have a little bridge and you have two creatures here. So you have death and something called Rahu. So I believe death is on the right side and then Rahu would be on the left side. And these two creatures decide whether or not you go to heaven or to hell. And then you have the bridge that brings you to like the main temple. And the bridge is called the Bridge of Heaven. So if you go through, then you can go to heaven, which is the temple, I guess. And then if not, well, you suffer for eternity with the masses. It's pretty grim. Now we're going through hell, basically. And let's see if Rahu lets us in. If we're allowed to go to heaven. So someone wanted to turn back on the bridge and take more pictures, and then the guide said, well, you're on your way to heaven, why would you go back to hell? So, fair point. Painting the temple.
I know you don't mean to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more.
Yeah, I had to show you guys this because it's so cool. So there's a QR code right on the right, and so this is the painting before. And then when you use the filter, it comes to life. So it's moving.
No more, you don't wanna hear this, but it's you, it's not me. Ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. But I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me stay, stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck.
Only 8:45, but I'm heading back to my hostel because I'm really tired. Last night I went to bed at around 1 because I wanted to edit a video that went live yesterday, and now today I had to wake up at like 6 o'clock. So I'm pretty tired. So I'm just gonna go home and sleep to be ready for tomorrow's adventure. See ya. I just made it to the cozy cafe, and it's really cozy inside. Look how pretty.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Catch you on the flip side. Maybe we can be friends when you're not so fragile. When you know yourself well, somewhere down the sweet line. When I do things for me, 'cause I don't wanna be your therapy. I wanna be free, so. Ooh.
Good evening, we just made it to Pai. I'm gonna go to my hostel now. I think it's almost 8, so yeah, I'm ready for dinner and a pretty early night in, I think. I'm just so tired, and I have to like prepare a few things for tomorrow and the day after that, so let's take it slow tonight. Good morning, so this is our first full day in Pai. I'm gonna go and do a half day. We visit the White Buddha Big Buddha, White Buddha, something like that, a waterfall, and the canyon for sunset. So I'll bring you along. Let's go.
Don't grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my
Hi to the vlog.
I love this. She better use this content.
She better.
way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me just stay, to stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
We're back in the city. Now we're gonna go and have some dinner. I forget the name of the place we're going to, but I film it anyways. I only have 1,000 baht left, and I have 2 or 3 days left in Thailand. So I need to stretch every freaking dollar I have. Good morning, this is day 2 in Pai, and today's pretty gray. I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty gray outside. So we decided to go to hot springs instead of doing the magic tubing, which was the original plan. I checked out from my hostel this morning, and my bus to go to Chiang Mai from Pai is at 2 p.m. It's around, I think, 10 a.m. right now, 10, 11. So I'm gonna be working on editing a video. A lavender lemonade and cream cheese and veggie bacon.